There could be multiple reasons why you're here right now. Either your credit sucks and you're trying to get it fixed, you have good credit and you don't know how to leverage that credit to get you some assets to create cash flow, you're looking for lending and lenders won't fund you because of your current credit position, or you're looking to start a business from scratch that you can generate passive income from. I'm gonna let you know right now, I'm your one-stop shop for all that. And if you get my 3-step playbook to financial freedom, you can achieve all these goals all by yourself. My name is Trevor and I'm a Turo business builder. I've built over 2,000 mentees Turo business all the way from scratch. The way we make it possible is by 3 easy steps. The first step, I optimize and repair your credit to put your credit profile in a fundable position. After that, I send you to my personal lending team. My lenders have one goal, and that's to guarantee fund you $50 to $250K in funding so that your business can grow and scale. My third step is giving you my blueprint on Turo so that you can get guaranteed bookings on the Turo platform, private rental, and rent to own. When it comes to building Turo businesses, I'm the best in the business in doing it. I've literally set up a no-fail system. When you have good credit and you have capital, that's the way you escape the rat race. And I have personal relationships and partnership with these lenders, so I've locked in a guaranteed $50K or more for all of my clients. So when I'm telling you you can't fail because I put systems in place to make sure that you are successful. So if you're somebody out there whose credit sucks, or you have good credit and don't know how to use it, or you just need some capital to back you for any business that you're trying to do, don't pass this opportunity up. You need to click the link below so I can give you my 3-step playbook to financial freedom, and you can do all this on your own. I hope to see you on the inside.
Tired of that dead-end job and punching a clock for someone else? Click the link below and let's build wealth right now. Let's go hustle.